teachers. My name is Chandrika Sravya. I am studying in first class. Today we are going to do an activity on sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Eyes. I can see with my eyes. Nose. I can smell with my nose. Ears. I can hear with my ear. Tongue. I can taste with my tongue. Skin. I can feel with my skin. Hi everyone, my name is Ichita. I am studying in first class. Today topic is abyss. Get up early in the morning. Brush your teeth. Take a bath daily. Do exercise. Wear clean clothes. Your hair. Pray to God. Eat healthy food. Wash your hands. Be honest.
Super.
Thank you. Don't waste water. Clip your nails.
Thank you, children.